it's Aisha Beau here and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is to address a question that I get asked every day, several times a day. And you know what? I'm happy I get asked this question, and I'm happy that you guys love how my hair looks, so I'm not even gonna complain. All I'm gonna do is show y'all how I do it. So this video is gonna be all about my current wash and go routine. I have switched up a bit of the method to how I do my wash and goes, which is why they look even more defined than they have in a really long time. If you remember from a past video, I did get some heat damage from straightening my hair this summer, so I've been trying to figure out a wash and go routine that really works for me and makes me feel confident again with my curls, because the ends are looking a little bit stringy, and I got a cut. I got my very first curly cut, which really helped the process a lot, and now I figured out a routine, or I should say a technique, that has helped me to redefine my curls and to just make them look even more shiny, bouncy, beautiful, and most importantly, they're long lasting. Yes, my wash and goes now last me 7 days minimum, which makes me really happy. And I'm saying 7 days without having to put it up into a puff until about day 7 or day 8. So that is key, especially if you're someone like me who's always on the go and doesn't really have a ton of time to be washing their hair 2-3 times a week. So, which you actually should not be doing anyways. I'm not going to talk too much in the beginning because y'all know I love to chit chat, but I'm going to now show you from start to finish how exactly I achieved this wash and go style. Now, I do want to note that this is day 2 hair, and the reason why I'm showing y'all day 2 hair to intro the video is because these days with my wash and goes, because of the fact that I'm making them so defined, they can be a lot more flat on day 1, which is not really my look. Personally, I know some people really like a wash and go that's defined and like more downward, but for me, I like when my hair starts to have some volume. So you'll see my process, day 1 hair, then how I go to sleep with it at night, and how I wake up and refresh it the next day. So this should answer all of y'all's questions. I'm gonna start just sending people the link whenever they ask me. Here's the link, watch this video. Anyways, enjoy this tutorial. We'll chat at the end. wash and go routine from, I guess, start to finish. I showed you the products that I use, which are my old faithful products that I use all the time. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But again, my method is a little bit different. That swirling method at the end of my tail comb has been such a game changer when it comes to making sure that my ends and my hair is super defined overall, and that my hair is super long lasting, shiny, bouncy, all of the above. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it answered all of the questions that you may have, and that it helped you in your own wash and go and natural hair journey as well. So with that said, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. You know I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know my next video goes live. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time.